Hey YouTube, check this out. I've taken two of my self-watering vegetable containers. I cut up some tomatoes, some peppers. I'm going to put the peppers here, tomatoes here. Okay. Now I'm going to cover them with some dirt. Water them down. Everyone, these are the tomatoes that I've sliced up and planted, and they grew pretty nice. Okay. Next year, we plant them a little earlier, and you can too. So now you know it works.